Welcome! In front of me I have INFINIX Watch 1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face. Now you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on it, tap on the icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color, getting highlighted basically. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, you open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again, the icon will go back to gray color, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So if you swipe right on the screen, then tap on the settings icon and scroll through the settings, one of the options should be D&D mode, and you can tap on the switch to enable it and tap on it to disable the mode. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.